Hello, guys. Good morning. It's Dave Santarelli from Santarelli Trading Exchange and BreakingChartAlerts.com. Alrighty, guys. So first things off, I wanted to show you guys we had some earnings this week. I didn't jump into anything yesterday. I wanted to, but I figured, it was pretty high risk going into earnings like that we didn't know what was going to happen, especially seeing some of these reports over the past week. So as much as I wanted to jump in, I stayed away. I played it safe, and it was really great that I did that because let's take a look here now. Let me show you guys. First off, here is the Trade Challenge account right here, which is awesome. We are at new all-time highs in the Trade Challenge account. Right now, we're at $5,535, but as you guys can see, we have a Caterpillar and ExxonMobil trade right here. Caterpillar, JP Morgan, and ExxonMobil. That ExxonMobil, we need a little bit more time on that. We had the 67 call for this week. That's probably going to be worthless. And that's already down because it dropped the entire week here. So we already have our loss on that. Unless she starts breaking out, we'll see some profit. But like I said here, let me just. So, like I said here, we have a Caterpillar trade. This trade right here is going to take off huge. We're already up 22.81% as of the close yesterday, and our JP Morgan trade was up about 21.5% as of close yesterday. So with this big breakout on Caterpillar today, $2.66 climb from where it's at, we're going to have a nice open. We should be up well over 50% on the Caterpillar trade. JP Morgan right now is up about 9 cents in pre-market hours. So that's looking pretty good. We should have a gain on Caterpillar, JP Morgan. We're going to be at new all-time highs today. So, guys, it's Day Trade Friday. Let's get rid of these trades. Let's lock in the profits and see what we could do. Now, that Caterpillar November 19th, here's the thing with that one, guys. We still have plenty of time. It's November 19th Expo. That is going to have a huge catalyst here if they pass that infrastructure deal in Congress. So if they pass that, I really think we could see Caterpillar between that 215 and 220 by that November 19th monthly expo. So really, definitely something you want to look at and think about jumping into here if you're not in a Caterpillar trade already. That Caterpillar chart is really nice, and that has the infrastructure deal going for it. So obviously, if they're doing a trillion dollars for infrastructure, whatever it is that they agreed on, obviously they're gonna have to buy some equipment for it, right? So that's why you're starting to see Caterpillar have that nice breakout here and starting that climb, starting that nice channel. I think we're gonna see that continue to run up to that 215, 220. I like that setup on Caterpillar. So we got about 5 minutes until opening bell. I want to get ready, lock in the gains on our trades here, and then we're going to be looking for Day Trade Friday. And we should be close to about $6,000 here on the open. We're at 55.35 now. So I'm kind of thinking right around, we'll probably have 57, 5,800 on the open there. Lucid had a big move too. Let's take a look at Lucid. We closed that out yesterday for some large profits. Lucid back up to almost 39 bucks. They have their first car deliveries coming October 31st here. So with Lucid, making their first deliveries ever of their car this weekend on Halloween, I think next week this is going to have a big breakout. We jumped into this yesterday. We did a day trade, had a huge profit on it, closed it out. And we ended up making another trade on it that we ended up closing out. We had a few trades on Lucid. I think 3 trades we closed on Lucid yesterday. So that's looking really good there. I like that setup on Lucid. That's continuing to break out. Candle above previous candle's body, right? You guys see that? That's classic breakout momentum. We got some momentum shifting higher here. We got some green bars above the zero line on the histogram of the moving average convergence divergence, showing us signs of momentum forward here. Trading above that 10, 20, and 50 days simple moving average. I love the look of Lucid. I like the catalyst it has going for it. I like the momentum it has behind it. And I really think you're going to see Lucid at about 50 to 60 bucks by mid-November. I really think she's going to have a nice breakout. Here was the trade that we ended up getting into. We closed that out yesterday around $40 when she got up to around 40 bucks there. That was a nice trade there that we locked in and had a nice profit on. All right, so Apple here. Apple had a big drop. I was saying I'm glad we didn't jump in any earnings trades because we had a big miss. Apple, Amazon here, and whatnot. So there goes J.P. Morgan. J.P. Morgan just climbed 45 cents here in the past 2 minutes. J.P. Morgan is taking off nicely here. So here's our J.P. Morgan trade, and that was the October 22nd one. We closed that out for a nice gain, and here is the new trade that we had. So as you guys could see, let me just move this up over here a little bit. So as you guys can see, here was the JP Morgan trade that we got. Here was our target. Here was our stop. Here is that trade right there in the trade challenge account. And there's nothing better than this type of transparency when you're trading. Because I'm banned from Facebook, so I can't comment. But I could look, and I was looking at all these people, and man, there's so many crazies out there. Anyway, JP Morgan. November 5th, 170 call. That's already up 21.5%. That's going to have some really nice gains on the open there, with JP Morgan being up now 61 cents and continuing to climb there, nearing 171. I love that setup. I think JP Morgan's going to hit up towards that 172.50 by next week, and even head higher towards that 175. But like I said here, I want to lock in some profit. So it is 1 minute until opening bell here. So what I want to do is I'm going to start getting some of these positions ready to sell. JP Morgan, that'll be the first one I close out here. I'm going to get that ready. She last traded at 210 by 221. So, 2.50, that's probably a little much there. It's probably going to be around 230. I just have that getting ready to go there. Let's see. Caterpillar. Change my order there. Okay, so let's see. See what we're going to be able to get for it. Yep, that's what I'm getting ready for there. Caterpillar is breaking out beautifully. First thing first, though, I'm going to close out that JPM. I don't want to close out Caterpillar just yet. She might get up to that 210. But that Caterpillar, that's going to take off with that infrastructure deal. I'm telling you guys right now, be prepared. That's going to take off when that infrastructure deal is passed. Be prepared for it, be ready, and capitalize on it. Alrighty, here we go, guys. I am getting ready here. Watch that trade challenge account because you guys are going to be amazed. Let's see here. So this JP Morgan trade, let's see, about 2 point, we'll probably get 240, 250 for it. Let's see, JPM up about 63 cents there. First, I'm going to do JP Morgan, which is at the highs. Here we go, guys. Opening bell is here, and trade challenge account at 6,100 bucks there. 6,100. All right, we're out of JP Morgan. I'm going to go get out of Caterpillar. We're up 70% on Caterpillar. Sell to close the cat. Let's see if I could get 550 for her. I don't think I can get 550. Order status. It's a live order. There we go. We got 550 for Caterpillar, guys. It just sold. We are at $6,000 in the trade challenge account. We started with 2,500. We're just at about 6,000. There is our closing orders there, and we are out of those trades there. We got the trade challenge account at new all-time highs here, and that is looking great. Let me see if I can get rid of this Exxon Mobil for a couple of cents there. Let's see if we could get about 3 cents for Exxon Mobil. And there we go. We are out of Exxon Mobil there as well. So we are all cash now in the trade challenge account. We are ready for day trade Friday. We had a nice run there, JP Morgan. Lucid's taking off. Lucid's nearing 40 bucks a share right there. Take a look at Lucid at the highs of the day, getting right up to that resistance right around 40 bucks a share. That's looking really good there. Trade challenge accounts at new all-time highs, guys. Let's hear it. Who got into those Caterpillar trades? Who got into those other trades there? Let me get those out and ready, sent to P so he could ship those out there. Nice job. So we sold JP Morgan 2.50. We sold Caterpillar 5.50. We locked in some really nice profits. And we are at new all-time highs. Let me just get this over to P. There are the closed trades. P, if you could post that in the trade room as well, that'd be great. Josh said he was in JPM, loves it. Nice job, Josh. Let's see what JP Morgan is still taking off now, isn't it? Up $1.35. What are those contracts going for now? So here's the order status. Man, 5,900 new all-time highs. That's what I mean. That's what I tell you guys all the time there. What do I tell you guys? I tell you guys what's important. You're not going to have every single day that continues to grow that account higher. You're going to have setbacks. You're going to have pullbacks. It's natural. The market just doesn't go to the moon and have any type of retracements there. So what's really important is being focused, following the trade plan, and that's what we do with the trade challenge account daily. You know, there's might be days we're down $400, $600 in the trade challenge account, but that's what options are. You know, they're much more leveraged than equities. So we're going to see those larger moves in options. As long as we can control those moves and control our accounts there and trades, manage our trades properly, you see, we're at new all-time highs once again in the trade challenge account. Okay, so we took that trade challenge account from 2,500 to 6 grand right now. And we're going to continue to get that up to hopefully about $10,000 by the end of the year for about a 400% return. And this is all just from, watching, man, look at freaking Caterpillar now. She got right up to that 210. Let me just take a look at the option chain quick here. We give it the first 15 minutes of opening bell before we start day trading anyway. We're only 3 minutes in. But let's take a look here at those JPM calls. What did we sell there? The November 5th 170 call. We sold that for how much? 250. She's at 320 now. How many contracts did I have that? 3. So at least $150 more there I could have made. Let's see. Cat. Cat, we had the November 19th, 207. 50. That's going for about $6.12 right now. We sold that for $5.50. So we could have had about another $300 in profits, $400 in profits there had we held a little bit longer. But like I said, happy with what we got there. Now I want to start looking. I wanted to share something with you guys too now. A lot of you guys asked me, how do I find some movers? And I'm going to show you guys here. Let me see here. Let me just get this over here. All right, so this is something that I like to watch and look at here. I don't know how I get this back to how do I get this back to white background here? You know, I usually have it as white. I forget where the hell I do that at. I wanted to show you guys this page. It's a great page here. Settings. Okay, let's see here. Settings. I hate that being black. Right click. I don't know, but anyway, so this is trading view, right? I like looking at this, looking at the most active stocks each day. So if you look at this, here's the most active stocks each day here. You know, MedX is up 44%. Lucid got a nice climb. This looks like this is delayed though. Josh says you click colors next to the default setting. Let's see here. What'd you do to get there, Dwayne? Color theme. Where's color theme? I don't know. Maybe this themes. Where do you see that color theme? I don't see that. What do I have to hit on here? Lucid 4045. All right, but what I wanted to show you guys here, this is a really nice one here. You could see the top gainers here, the most active stocks for the day. This has probably got about a 15-minute delay because I'm not a member on here. But like I said, it really doesn't matter. You can take a look here. Here's some of the top gainers, which is really nice. The most active, unusual volume. I love looking at that. I wanted to go over that with you guys, but that is, wow, nice job taking profits on CAT. Let's see, what's JP Morgan doing there? JPM, 71 cents. We did a good job taking profit on that, too. Visa's got a nice climb there. Under Armour's one that we've been watching, guys. Remember we were talking about Under Armour right before it was getting that 1020 cross there? You guys remember us talking about that? That is a nice setup on Under Armour there. I think that one's going to have a nice breakout there. Okay, so if I go back there, right click, there's no language on mine. There is no language on mine there. Alrighty, so let's take a look here. It is, what, 9:40? We got 5 more minutes before we start actively trading here, or start to look for some active trades. But I love that Under Armour, guys. That Under Armour looks good for a swing. Chevron had a nice breakout there. Lucid, $41 on Lucid. That one's going to continue to run there. We might be able to pick up a nice little day trade on Lucid here. Be in and out. October 29th, 41. Man, they're going for a lot of money. A lot of money. Do we want to jump in and jump out of that one? Dwayne says look at Netflix. Lotto play there. NFLX. Guys, isn't that amazing, though, how we are at new all-time highs in the trade challenge account? Take a look at the balances here. Yesterday, we were at... Oh, come on, E-Trade. There we go. You can see yesterday we were at $5,552.71 at the close. Today we're at $5,933.28. New all-time highs in the trade challenge account. And that was by being disciplined, patient, waiting for the right setups. We had some losers, of course, but like I said, you know, if you have that system, that plan, those winners are definitely going to outweigh the losers there. And as you can see, that trade challenge account is up about 140% right now. A little less than 140%. All right, Pfizer's starting to take off there too. I like Pfizer on a 3-month daily. If you guys take a look at PFE, looking at some of the other market movers, they said Amazon's moving off the bottom there. Let's take a look at Amazon. Maybe that's something we could pick up. AMZN. I wouldn't mind picking up a little DT on that. But I mean, look at this. I mean, it's insanely priced here, for a single contract. I don't want to take a risk at that one there. HTZZ Hertz. Look at Hertz nearing 30 bucks a share, up 2.5%. You guys have those warrants. You're going to be looking pretty on those. What happened with Hertz? It just came back a little bit there. 29.10 on a today 1-minute chart, 3-month daily. There we go. That is looking good. I like that, guys. That's a nice setup. I'm watching Apple over there. Let me put Amazon over here. I like having all my different charts set up for the most active movers there. So if you guys could see, if you guys are watching on YouTube here. So, for example, I got 6 screens. Over here, I got, the stuff for the live stream, the trade room. Over here, I have my watch list. I have a chart. I have the option chain down here. You guys could see I have the account, some of the screeners, and then the main stock I'm looking at. Over here, I'll have some of the active movers, some of the largest gainers, losers, anything that came out with earnings, whatever has some type of volatility with it in the morning that I want to keep an eye on. I'll put on these. Like over here, I have Tesla right here on it today, 1 minute. I have Apple here on it today, 1 minute, seeing if that's going to bounce off the bottom. I got Amazon right here. I have Pfizer on a 3-month daily over here. I was watching that, seeing if there was anything I wanted to do with that. Nike is starting to climb again too. I'm going to put that where Pfizer was. Nike's looking pretty good there. I like that setup on Nike. But Amazon's starting to get up to that blue 20-day simple moving average on it today, 1-minute chart. So, I'm looking for a day trade possibly on that one there, getting right up to that 20. I'll see if it breaks out there. I'm also watching Apple over here. If Apple breaks out of that consolidation, if she could just break above that 147.50 on Apple, I'll be jumping into Apple for a quick day trade. There goes Tesla. Tesla just got a 5-point move there on that candle. Facebook's taking off big time, up 2.4% on Facebook. Let's take a look at FB. I don't like their strategy of rebranding themselves. But it's looking like Wall Street likes it, up 2.41% here. Continuing to break out. I'm watching Amazon over there. Amazon looks like it wants to climb there. Amazon right at that blue 20-day simple moving average on a today 1-minute chart. Here's Amazon right here. Thinking about doing something with that. But those contracts are $2,000. So obviously if I do that, I'm going to do that in the main account. Let's see here. Tesla's on the move. Facebook's still climbing. We had a loss on Baba and ExxonMobil this week. Everything else was some nice gains there. I'd love to pick up some more calls on Caterpillar for, maybe next week's expo. JP Morgan having a nice breakout. We closed those trades out for an 80 and 41% gain. That's incredible. Incredible. I'm telling you guys, there is no. I'm getting messages from you guys. There is no one out there like us that trades live, shares their account, shares their trades, analyze charts, trade like we do. There's no one out there. I love it. And I love seeing us breaking new all-time highs like that. week after week. Last week we had all-time high, and then we pulled back a couple days, and this week now we are at new all-time highs again. Matt Dunn says, "What's up, Dave? What's going on? What's going on, Matt? How you doing? What are you trading here today?" Look, and here's some Costco news. Costco just raised their minimum wage to 17 bucks an hour. They just announced that. That's nice seeing people getting raises like that. You know, they should be getting at least 25 bucks an hour. There goes Tesla, guys. Take a look at Tesla. Man, that's what I love having these charts set up right here like this. Because, you know, it doesn't matter what you're doing. All you have to do is look for those candles like that. There's a 6-point candle right there in a few seconds. Big breakout. There goes Tesla. Tesla is on the run. Let's see what Lucid's doing over there. Lucid should probably following suit there. Wow, Tesla just jumped about 10 bucks there in the matter of about 60 seconds. Good thing I didn't go for those Lucid calls. That pulled back quite a bit there. What time is it now? It's about 9:48, so we could start looking for our day trades. Got a nice breakout on Tesla. Anyone here trading Tesla? Lucid's at 38 bucks now. I'm not going anywhere near that yet. Tesla's ready for a big breakout here. She's going to have a run. She's going to break that 1100. I'm watching Amazon. Amazon just had the 1020 crossover. It needs to break that 3340, and then that'd be an optimal entry for Amazon if you're looking to day trade it. Tesla here's taking off nicely. Could you guys hear me on YouTube? For some reason, I went on my YouTube yesterday, and I saw that I couldn't hear anything. I don't know if I had the volume off. Nice, Dwayne. Dwayne said he just locked in a 60% gain on the Netflix Lotto. Let's take a look at that Netflix. That's a nice one, Dwayne. 10 minutes ago, you jumped into that one. That's a nice little breakout there for you. I'm debating what I want to do some day trading on today. Nvidia's having a nice move. Nvidia's going to be at 300 bucks. She's at almost 253 right now. Lucid 37 bucks. Thank God I didn't jump into that Lucid. That's why I like being patient, disciplined, and holding off there a bit. You know, sometimes when you get that big move and you try to, you try to have that FOMO, it'll destroy you. I was gonna jump in Nike too. Nike pulled back a little bit there. Yeah, Nvidia's looking good. I'm looking at that right above here. So as you can see, here's Nvidia. 3-month daily chart on Nvidia. I mean, it's in classic breakout momentum. Now remember when I told you guys when a new cycle is forming here, you know, that's when you want to get something 3 to 6 months out till Expo. You guys know I always talk to you guys about that. Well, here's Nvidia, right? Here's that 1020 cross, and here was your optimal entry right here on the 18th. So on the 18th, you know, she's at 220. You jump into something a few months out till Expo, and bam, you know, she's on that big run there. It went from BDM to breakout momentum. And when you get that new crossover, that new cycle formation, that's when you want to get something a little bit further out and follow your targets on that one. Don't close those out early. All right, Nike pulled back a little bit there. Amazon pulled back down to that 20. Tesla's taking off. New highs of the day on Tesla. Another nice run there on Tesla. Tesla 1095. Nice breakout there on Tesla. New highs. New highs on Tesla right now. I told you guys earlier this week. I thought Tesla was going to be at 1,100 to 1,200 bucks a share, and she is looking like she wants to go for that 1,200 next week. I'm looking at my watch list up above here, just seeing what it is I want to start trading. Looking at some of my watch list up here. Got Nike over here. I got Amazon right here that I'm watching. So if that comes down to that 20 and holds and starts breaking above that 33.40, I might jump into a little either call or a vertical spread on Amazon there. Apple, I'm just watching Apple. It's consolidating. It's got a nice base support here between that 146.50 and that 147. Just waiting for that to do something, for that to be a possible day trade. I'm looking at some of these market movers here, largest percent stock gainers, as you guys can see right here. I'm seeing if there's anything coming up there that I like. And then, of course, like I said, I keep checking this out right here and seeing if there's anything I like as far as this goes here. So most active, that METX, METX is continuing to run. I want to take a look at that. METX. 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 Let's take a look at METX. Apple's starting to move there now. Apple's finally starting to get a climb. Let's take a look. We might be able to day trade some Apple here. Let's see. Apple. AAPL, October 29th. 147s are going for about 95 cents there. So I want to pick up Apple October 29th. 147s are going for about $1. I'd probably pick up about 10 contracts of it. Let's see here. I need to do a small trade on Apple right there. I just jumped in. I got 10 contracts. I'm in at 94 cents. I'm just going to hold on to that for a little bit there. See what Apple does. Really didn't start to get that 1020 cross yet, but I like the setup on that. Stop on that'll probably be like 85 cents. There goes Tesla breaking out again. Nice breakout on Tesla. Let's see that Apple take off here. Tesla's looking pretty good there. I'm watching Tesla trying to break that 1095. Apple's on the climb again there too. Nasdaq's down about 68 points right now. Apple's just starting to get that 1020 cross. There goes Tesla. Nike's on the climb there again too. There we go, nice little climb there. Apple's looking pretty good there. There goes Tesla, another big breakout on Tesla. Big climb on Tesla there. Nice climb there. All right, I am out of Apple. That wasn't doing anything I wanted it to do there, so I sold that. Order status, let's see what I got out for. 90 cents. 4-cent loss on Apple. Wasn't doing much. Let's take a look there. Let's see what SPY's doing here. SPY. Mad Dunn says he's trading Twilio. Tesla had a big candle there. Visa's up about $3. Caterpillar 206. We did a nice job selling Caterpillar. Hell of a nice job selling Caterpillar. We sold that on the first minute of opening bell there. Almost at 209. So that was a nice sell there. That Apple is climbing again. Apple's going to be a good one to day trade if we get some movement on it. Right now, Apple's just pretty soft. Thought we were going to start having that breakout there when we jumped in, but it really didn't do much. Not yet. Apple's looking ready for a breakout here again. Watch how quickly these ones move right here. Nice. So nice to see that trade challenge account at new all-time highs here. That's incredible. Microsoft passes Apple to become the world's most valuable company. She's at 98 cents a dollar now. Looks like she's ready for a nice climb there on Apple. Want to see her break that 147.50? I might jump in. There she goes at $1.02 now. $1.02. Really like to jump in again. Skyjack's up 25% on the Apple trade that we got into. Sky, I should have held on to her. Should have held on to her. $1.03, $1.05, $1.06, $1.10 she's at now. That would have been a nice gain had we held on to her. There goes Tesla. There goes Apple. There goes Amazon. Nice climb here. Debating if I want to jump back into this 147 call. Debating if I want to jump in again. Tesla's at new highs there. 1098 on Tesla. $1.15 now. $1.16. Looks like she's ready for a nice breakout here. I might jump into a couple again. All right, I'm back into Apple. I am in at $1.23. It got me for. I only got 5 contracts, so 587. There goes Tesla taking off. Amazon's on the climb. Let me put Q's right over here. Q's are almost at the highs of the day. Got a nice run happening there on Q's. He always put the size of the contracts on the trade challenge trades. Steven made a 100% gain on Lucid earlier. He said, let's see, Lucid 3706. There goes Tesla taking off again. Nice run on Tesla. Amazon still on the climb. Tesla, $1,100 she's at right now. Apple, if she gets up to about 149 today, I'll be happy with that. Definitely possible to get up to that 149. Just going to hold on to those calls. Amazon's breaking out nicely. Look at Q's on the run here, too. Take a look here at Q's. Clear. Q's having a nice little climb. First candle's above the 10-20-50. Amazon on the run. Let's see what else is moving there. Visa back above 213. Facebook's up 2% now, up over $6 on Facebook. There goes Q's on the climb again. AbbVie is up over 4% right now at 114.10, up $4.45 on AbbVie. I gotta close out that Apple. I just closed out of that Apple trade. Apple's not doing it for me today. It's not having the moves that I want to see it happen. So I'm out of that at 97 cents. Out of Apple, 97 cents there. Still holding above that 10, but like I said, don't want to risk it there with Apple. So yesterday's close was 55.52.71. We're at 57.52.46 now. New all-time highs in the trade challenge account. Looking for some good day trade setups here. I want to look for something a little more volatile that we could jump in and out of. Watching on the watch list here. Got quite a bit happening. Caterpillar's hanging out right around that 206. Visa 213.34. Facebook still climbing up $6.50. Amazon. Tesla had a big red candle there, right up to 1100, all the way back down to 1090. Microsoft still continuing to climb. Microsoft looks ready for a nice run there too. I might get back up to that 328 today. There goes Apple starting to climb again, back up at $1. Tony, I was thinking about you this morning when Lucid was at 41, 42 bucks. Tony messaged me yesterday. Wow, nice job there, Tony. Look at that, guys. Here's what Tony just sent the trade room here. He said, "Too bad I slept in accidentally." He traveled to PST, but still did amazing on Lucid. Closed out JP Morgan and Caterpillar way off high a day, but still happy camper. And let's see here. Caterpillar up 76%. He got in some Robinhood trade. That's not ours. JP Morgan, that was our trade there. Nice job on that. And Lucid, he's up 642% on Lucid. That was our original Lucid trade. Wow. Tony, that's the original Lucid trade, isn't it, right there? The November 5th 29 strike call. Man, what a move on that. Nice job. Nice job on that. Microsoft's starting to break out again. Thinking about doing something with Microsoft here. Tesla pulling back sharply. Sharp pullback on Tesla from 1100 all the way down to 1087.50. Amazon starting to break out again. It needs to break that 33.30 on Amazon for that next run. Facebook now up over $7. $7.13 gain on Facebook on the day. My daughter just woke up. It's teacher in-service day, so she is off today. Let's see. I had a great day in both accounts here today, so let me see if she wants anything to eat quick. She just came down. Hey, Sophie, are you hungry? No, you don't want Starbucks? You want some Starbucks? No? What do you want to have? Huh? You're not hungry? Okay, we'll go. Well, what do you want, baby? Or you want to go for lunch? Hmm? Speak what's on your mind, or I'm going back in the office. You want some eggs? You want pancakes? You want Starbucks? Eggs? How do you like them? Scrambled? Over easy? You want eggs and pancakes from First Watch? Okay, talk to me. I can't cook nothing now. We have to order something. Okay, I can't make nothing right now, baby. I'm working. I'll make you eggs in a bit. Oh, you want the hard-boiled eggs? Okay, I'll make those for you. So. The quail eggs? You're the only kid I know that likes quail eggs. Let's see, Amazon there, right back up to that 33.30. I think I'm just gonna order the kids some eggs. Let's see. First Watch. Microsoft pulling back there a bit. Tesla continuing to pull back. Apple's pulling back a bit. Amazon still wants to climb there. Mistaken Facebook identity sees Meta Materials shares soar 32%. That is funny. I'm just watching some news on that. I'm reading about it. Shares of Canada's Meta Materials, MMAT, took off today because some idiots thought it was Facebook. So that was up significantly this morning, up over $5. Pulled back when they realized that wasn't Facebook. Man, are people really that dumb out there? They thought that Canadian stock was Facebook, so they just started buying it because it's $4. Oh man, what is this world coming to? Lucid, $36. I'm not seeing anything moving. Everything's pulling back a little bit here. Let's see. All the markets are in the red. Dow, Nasdaq, S&P, everything in the red. Amazon's the only thing I'm seeing over to the right here when I'm watching that's still kind of breaking out there. You know, it's above the 10, 20, 50-day simple moving average. It didn't break above resistance from, 940 to, 946. And then right here at 1014, 1015, got right up to that resistance again, failed to break above it. Let me put SPYs up over here on this chart. Maybe we could day trade SPY. Just waiting for that move. So what I'm looking for here, guys, obviously patience, discipline is key here. So I'm just looking here. We traded sideways on SPY, started pulling back a little bit. If we start pulling back sharply here, I might jump into some SPY puts, trade that back down to about 455. But right now, just watching the markets. There goes SPY taking off again. Did you guys know there's a Let's Go Brandon token that's being traded right now as a crypto? Let's Go Brandon token. I got some Uber Eats yesterday, and my driver was named Brandon, and he was just sitting there in the parking lot waiting for the food. I'm like, "Let's go, Brandon!" All capital letters, exclamation points, and thankfully he knew it was a joke. I didn't get sick from the food, so he's a good player. But anyway, yeah. So I posted that, and someone, I guess the Let's Go Brandon token like that. And I'm just looking at that now. There's a Let's Go Brandon token. Man, I want to see something happen here that we could trade. Just sideways there. Let's see. Chris Jones says Tesla puts. Looks like it wants to break hard below the 50. Let's take a look at Tesla. See what it does at that 10 there. Microsoft climbing, says Dwayne. Microsoft's looking great there. That's going to get back up to that 328. What are those Microsoft calls going for? Msft. Wow, those 327.50s are dirt cheap there. That's not bad. Just watching though. I want to watch SPY. That's the most important thing here. Trading sideways on SPY. I'm watching Tesla. Tesla's getting a nice little pop right here on this chart. Tesla's trying to break above that 20 SMA on it today, 1 minute. Tesla wants to hold that 50 right now. Workday, Workday. I don't know anyone that uses Workday. Amazon's still trying there. Tesla wants to do something there. SPY's just continuing to fail. Right there. I'm watching it. Dwayne, I want to make an ETF first. Nvidia 254. Nvidia's still climbing. You guys watching Nvidia? 3-month daily on Nvidia. That's looking nice. I mean, obviously that had a big run here, so I'm not gonna jump into anything like that yet. I'll wait for the retracement and jump in. Tesla wants to climb here. I'm watching that on a today 1 minute. Trying to climb there. I'm watching SPY over on this chart. I'm waiting for SPY to do something. Traffic that's up. How much? 44%? SPY still not doing anything. Waiting for that day trade here. Looking at SPY. See, I either want to capture like some calls like this where you have candle above previous candle's body or a decent breakdown. Not when it's trading sideways like that. Not seeing too much happening yet. that's insane. Elon Musk's worth is nearing $400 billion. Wow. SPY's just trading sideways, as you guys can see here, so really not too much going on. I'm watching Amazon over the top right here. I'm watching it on my computer here too, the iMac. But Amazon's starting to pull back a little bit there. I'm watching SPY just trade between that 10, 20, 50 SMA right now. Apple's pretty flat. I'm watching Tesla. It's trading between that 20 and 50-day simple moving average. Not too much happening just yet. There goes Tesla now. She's starting to break above that 50. SPY's pulling back a little bit. Take a look at Tesla here. Let's bring that up. And I thought Tesla was going to break that 50 right there. Markets just aren't moving yet. Sideways. Captain says Nike's at the high of the day. Jerry, look at Jerry. Nice job, Jerry. That's what I like to hear. Jerry is shooting for the best week of her options career this week. Great job, Jerry. Very nice. Nicely done. Best week ever. That's what I like to hear, Jerry. Nice. We are at our best week too. You know, trade challenge accounts at new all-time highs. Main account did pretty well. I'm only up about what 3,000, maybe $4,000 this week. Not my best week ever, but you know, can't complain with 3-4 grand. I haven't been trading the main account much lately. I got to get on that. I've been trying to focus in on the trade challenge account to help you guys grow your small accounts here, which have been going great. Now with earnings, you know, over next week, I'll be trading the main account a little bit more. Skyjack jumped back into JP Morgan. JP Morgan's down about 5 cents right now. Tesla's trying to break out again. SPY right back up to that 457 at that 50 SMA. Karen, we got to get you too having that biggest options week ever. We got to get you in on that. SPY is finally starting to break out there. Dow just turned green. SPY just broke out there. We'll see if we can get a little breakout here on SPY. She breaks that 457.50. I'm jumping into SPY calls. Right now, it's just still kind of choppy, so I'm not going to jump in just yet. The October 29th, 457.50 is only going for about 56 cents right now. That'd be what I'd pick up. Karen, are you anywhere near Sanibel? Skyjack said he had a great week too. No complaints there. Nice. I have to see what's going on with that. SPY's starting to climb there.
PEGRU, Project Energy Reimagined Acquisition Corp, opening for trade at $9.85, priced at $10. That's Papa Echo Golf Romeo Uniform, PEGRU.
Apple's trying to break out again there too. Apple might be a good one. I'm watching SPY right here, just about flirting with that 47.50, 457.50. Think what I might do is get a couple of these and then just let that go for the day.
SONX.
I'll wait though. I want to see it break that first.
So Nendo indicating $10 to $11, priced at $12. That's San the Oscar November X-ray, SONX. HRT, higher right holdings, priced at $19, now indicating $18.50 to $19. That's Hotel Romeo Tango HRT.
Jerry, I'm coming down to Sanibel for a wedding. You ever hear a tween captiva? John goes, looks like you got the wings tonight. John said wings are the official meal of Team BCA. That's funny, John, but they are. That's accurate. Skyjack doubled down on the Apple trade. Apple's starting to take off there. SPY is starting to climb. Thinking about jumping into some SPY calls here. If I jump into this, I'm just going to jump in and then I'm just going to pick up 5 contracts for now, I think. Let's see, 70, what is it, 74? And the trade challenge account, 74 times 5. That's only 370. That's right where I wanted to be, though. That's a perfect opportunity to buy that there. All right, we'll jump into a couple contracts of this. I'm watching it over there. I want to see it break that candle from about 10.09. 70 cents now. Tesla pulling back a little bit there. Let's watch SPY here. If that starts running there, I'm going to jump in. She breaks back above 457.50. Let's see. They're saying Microsoft's on the run there. Let's see. Well, SPY's at new highs of the day, so I would expect Microsoft to be climbing there. That was a nice little run there on Microsoft. Man, we were talking about that coming off those lows before. Let's see. Microsoft, Msft. October 29th. 327.50s are only going for about $1. SPY pulling back sharply there. Microsoft might be a good swing trade for us to jump into. 327.50s on oh, that's Microsoft. Let me put up SPY. SPY October
KLA
29th,
Nicola,
457.50s are at
January
64
$19
cents
calls
now.
active. November Kilo Lima Alpha and KLA. There's a Nicola off the highs now, ticking higher here on some volume, $11.74. That's November Kilo Lima Alpha, NKLA.
There goes Tesla on the climb. Debating if I want to jump in SPY here. I have it ready to go for 10 contracts if I jump in. I might jump in and have that 457 as my stop on these SPY calls for today, the 457.50s.
MCMJ, Meridian Merger, seeing call
Okay, I'm
activity.
jumping in. I just jumped in 10
The
contracts of
December
SPY for
$10 calls.
62 cents. I'm
Shares
in that
popping
day
here.
trade. Like I said, small
Michael
day
Charlie,
trade.
Michael
I'm just going
Juliet.
to hang on to it there a little bit. There we go. There's a nice little candle there on SPY.
DOLE, Dole's Fresh Vegetables, announcing precautionary limited recall of Garden Classic salads for possible contamination with listeria.
Alrighty, guys, I'm out at 70 cents there on
That's
SPY. We locked
Delta
in another
Oscar Lima
$80 profit
Echo.
on that. That was a good one there. Order status. Out of that SPY day trade.
AEI.
And we're out
Alt
of that at
Energy
70
Acquisition
cents.
shares opening at $10.07, priced
70
at
cents
$10
there.
per unit. That's Alpha Echo Uniform AEA EU.
That was a nice little quick day trade there. She pulled back on that candle, which is nice. Good exit there on SPY. We'll look for a few more of these. Let's see. Bill Chalet says, "Good morning, Dave. It's been very cool watching you advance over the years. Keep up the good work. It's amazing." Thank you, Bill. I appreciate it. Appreciate the support. Last year's been tough with the cancer, so now that that's done and over with, we should be seeing things get back to normal here. I have something really big set up for you guys. We're taking this trading academy to a whole new level. I bought Canvas, which is online learning platform there. Most colleges use, universities. So I purchased that, and I'm paying a professor at a local college here to set that up. We have all the content. He's going to set that up nicely, and then you guys are going to be having work every week. So you're going to be able to log into your account. It's going to be attached to the website, and you'll be able to do work and have like a neat study guide each week there from A to Z that you guys could work on. Alrighty, guys, that is 11 o'clock here. I have someone down here from up north. I have to meet them quick. They're the ones that's having the wedding here in Sanibel. So that's going to do it for us. Karen, yes, you're going to love that homework there. That Canvas thing is going to be amazing once that's set up here.
AMZN, Amazon discloses 20% stake in Rivian.
Amazon, breaking news on Amazon, and Amazon spiking a bit on that news right there. Apple's got a nice little climb there too. But keep an eye on Amazon. I gotta go. We're gonna be live again early today.
Again,
Not
Amazon
the
just closing a 20% stake
not the
in
3 o'clock. Let's try
electric
going
vehicle
live
maker
around
Rivian.
2:30 ish, and we'll look for some more day trades. I'm gonna be here in the office, so if you guys need anything, happy to help out. And if you guys want to come join us on YouTube, there, make sure you guys go to breakingchartalerts.com. If you guys need help or anything, hit this message down here. Continue, and you guys could shoot us a message right there by logging in and saying, whatever it is you need help with there. Payush, if you could take a look at this too. I had one of our members say that they tried messaging us on here, it wasn't working properly. If you could look at that and see what's going on, it's not coming up there. But if you guys need us, you guys could go down at the bottom, and there's our email down there if you guys need, and of course, if you guys need anything on our Facebook business page. But if you guys want to come join us, membership pricing plans, you guys could look on here, put in your promo code, renew 30. That'll give you 30% off any of the memberships there, and you guys could come join us. So you click sign up, and that takes you right down to here. And see, Payush, what I mean here, it doesn't tell you that promo code, but that's because I'm a member here. So if you're not a member and you go to sign up and you put that promo code in, that will show you the discount there. But that's for 30% off. If you guys want to come join us. And then you go to live trading, and we're going to be in the live trade room from now until we go live in the afternoon here. And we'll be looking for some more day trades. So I will see you guys in a bit here. Hope everyone's having a great day. Trade challenge accounts at new all-time highs. We'll be looking to add to those profits in the afternoon. Amazon's taking off here nicely. There goes SPY breaking above that 457.50 again. Might do something again on SPY. Thinking about doing something on SPY here. I should just jump into some SPY calls before we get off. Let's take a look. 457.50s are going for about 74 cents now. I could jump in another quick 10 contracts and target that quick, 10-cent gain there for a quick $100 gain. That's not a bad one if you guys wanted to jump in that. The 457.50 calls on SPY. So I will see you guys in the afternoon. Great job today. Nice job taking that trade challenge account up to new all-time highs. And if you guys want to come join us, go to breakingchartalerts.com. Sign up for our service. Once you do sign up, make sure you download our app so you get the instant notifications when we make a trade, when we go live, any type of breaking news there. Hope everyone has a great day. Good job today, and congratulations to Jerry, Skyjack, and those of you in the trade room that are having your accounts at new all-time highs. Great job today. I'll see you guys in the afternoon. I'll be here in the